Hi everyone, I'm going to demonstrate EMEA mobile DEX app. So when you open the app, it shows the wallet screen, which basically fetches all the associated token accounts with the main Sol account. By clicking on each token type, you can see more details like token address, mint address, and associated account address. Account balance is supposed to show the total of value of all assets in the wallet. Haven't implemented that completely yet. There are a few menu options like create account, import account, export account. So user can simply paste the private key here and import the wallet to use. Now we'll try a simple swap functionality. We'll be converting a small amount of Sol into USDC. So currently we have got 0.0134 USDC in our account. So what we'll do is we'll do a swap and we'll come back to and revisit the wallet for the updated balance. So let's try that. So we'll try to swap 0.001. Let's say we're swapping 0.0001 Sol into USDC. So we can see the current Sol price in the pool. So we'll be getting around 0.0031 USDC. So let's confirm the swap. So what's happening in the background is we have written a Radium client which basically creates the required transaction and broadcasts into the network. So we should be getting a transaction ID pretty soon. So we have got this transaction ID. We can also click on the view transaction and this will redirect the user to Solana Explorer to view the transaction. So let's view the transaction on the Explorer. It's getting confirmed. After we can see the transaction properly, we'll just go back to the app and see the updated USDC. So we can see that it's completed. Okay, so let's go back to the app and see the updated USDC. So we have got 0.0016664. So previously it was 0.013 and now it's 0.016, and because we have got a additional 0.003 added, so we can see the updated USDC balance. There's also a trade section in which we are planning to implement the DEX trade interface. So it's currently in the pipeline. That's it for the demo. Thanks for watching.